Okay, Assalamualaikum and a good evening to all my students. Okay, this is my first tutorial. I want to show you how to join the Google Classroom. The Google Classroom that we will use for this entire semester to cater every lessons that we are going to learn in MEC 101, Introduction to Engineering. Okay, first of all, from our WhatsApp group MEC 101, I have sent you earlier the link to the Google Classroom. So go back to the Google Classroom link and click on the link, and it will redirect you to the Google Classroom page. Okay, so this is our Google Classroom page for MEC 101. Okay, from there you can browse the classwork, announcement, attendance, lecture session, notes and materials. All these have been prepared earlier by your lecturers, which is me and Encik Halim. Okay, we also have people menu at the above of the page. You can see the list of the students. Make sure your name is there, and every class we are going to have live lecture, maybe around 10 to 30 minutes. So you have to ensure you have this link, Google Meet link. If you click on the Google Meet link, and it will redirect you to the Google Meet page. Okay, so during our class in the schedule, for this class we have on Monday 8 a.m. So every time for every hour class, you have to join this Google Meet. Let's say, okay, I just show you this tutorial. We don't have any live video and so on and so on. So you just try to join now. If our class is broadcast at that time, we will have the list of the name here, and the lecturer will show the presentation here. So for the timing of this video is recorded, there is no live broadcast, so this is just plain page. Okay, if you want to leave the Google Meet, then click on the Hangout button. Okay, so for every class, please check the Google Classroom first. If there is any announcement, any instruction from your lecturer, it will be there here. Okay, so that's all for today. If you have any problem regarding to our Google Classroom, just put your question in the WhatsApp group. Thank you and bye bye. Assalamualaikum.